98 species in genus Lampranthus. Lampranthus, a world of shining flowers. My name is Ferb Vu, and I'm fascinated by the genus Lampranthus, belong to family Isoaceae. These succulent plants, native to the southern regions of Africa, are a true spectacle when in bloom. The name itself, derived from the Greek words lampros, shining, and anthos, flower, speaks volumes about their vibrant beauty. Imagine carpets of dazzling colors, ranging from fiery reds and oranges to serene pinks and purples, blanketing the landscape. This is the magic of Lampranthus. Why I'm drawn to Lampranthus. What captivates me most about these plants is their resilience. They thrive in harsh environments, often found in rocky outcrops and coastal areas, where other plants struggle to survive. Their succulent leaves, adapted to store water, allow them to endure long periods of drought. This hardiness, coupled with their stunning floral displays, makes them a favorite among gardeners and botanists alike. But it's not just their beauty and resilience that intrigue me. Lampranthus plays a vital role in its ecosystem. The vibrant flowers attract a myriad of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and even birds. These pollinators, in turn, help maintain biodiversity in the region. Diving deep into Lampranthus diversity. The genus Lampranthus boasts a rich diversity, with over 90 recognized species. Each species possesses unique characteristics, contributing to the overall splendor of the genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Lampranthus conservation. Despite their resilience, Lampranthus species face threats due to habitat loss and climate change. It's crucial to recognize the importance of conserving these plants, not just for their aesthetic value, but also for their ecological significance. By protecting their natural habitats and promoting sustainable cultivation practices, we can ensure that future generations continue to marvel at the beauty of Lampranthus. My personal connection with Lampranthus. My fascination with Lampranthus goes beyond mere admiration. I believe these plants embody a powerful message of resilience and adaptation. In a world facing increasing environmental challenges, Lampranthus serves as a reminder of nature's ability to thrive even in the harshest conditions. Their vibrant blooms, emerging from seemingly barren landscapes, symbolize hope and the enduring beauty of the natural world. I find great joy in cultivating Lampranthus in my own garden. It's a rewarding experience to witness these plants flourish under my care, their vibrant flowers bringing life and color to my surroundings. I also make a conscious effort to educate others about the importance of conserving these remarkable plants. Looking ahead, my journey with Lampranthus is far from over. I'm eager to learn more about the lesser-known species, delve deeper into their ecological roles, and contribute to their conservation. I believe that by sharing my passion for these plants, I can inspire others to appreciate the beauty and resilience of the natural world. In the words of the great naturalist John Muir, in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. My exploration of Lampranthus has been a testament to this truth. It has not only enriched my understanding of the plant kingdom, but also deepened my connection to the natural world.